Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here, and for today's video we're going to be trying out these water activated lashes. So it says no glue included in this, or no glue needed for this. Very intrigued about this. I've seen it for a while now, and then I finally saw it on sale in the store, so I figured why not just pick it up and try it. So before we get into the video, please be sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And let's get into it. So these lashes are from the Ardell Aqua lashes, and I got the style 341. So let's see if there's directions for this, but I believe all you have to do is just dip the band in water and just apply, but I don't know if there's a wait time. Activate adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. And then you just apply it, obviously. And then to remove is also with water. That makes no sense. It says removal to remove saturated cotton swab with water and apply the lash line, or apply along the lash band, gently peel away the strip starting from, I guess you're reactivating it so then it gets wet again? Maybe? I don't know. The first thing we need to do is definitely trim these because they have like these weird long lash bands for some reason. I don't know why. So I gotta cut those off and then also trim it to fit our eye, obviously. I'm gonna bend these a little because they're kind of stiff. They're like really stiff. So I'm just going to take the lash band and put it, oh no, I dropped the whole lash in. That's not good. And hold it in there for 10 to 15 seconds. I did apply waterproof mascara, just so you guys know, just in case. So I applied the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume waterproof mascara. All right, so I'm just going to attach this here. Okay, these are way too stiff, like way too stiff. I don't know how I'm gonna apply these, honestly. No wonder why they were on sale. It's just sticking to my lashes first. I can't get it to the lash line. Okay, all right. This legitimately sucks. Yo, do you see that? Probably can't. This is really difficult to work with. Oh, and I put my whole elbow in the water. Wow, that's fun. So already I don't like this. It's really difficult to work with. It's a really stiff band. It's a very visible band. I don't see how these could be reusable and like still look good. Ew, can you see that? There's like glue. Oh no. There's strings of glue coming off. Okay, I really don't like this because I'm having a hard time getting it on the lash line instead of attached to my lashes, especially on the outside where you have like longer lashes. Honestly, this is not worth the effort, and I'm getting like strings of glue in my lashes, which is not a cute look. Look at that. Can you see that? My eye's watering now. There's like strings of glue in here now because I had to take it off and reapply it so many times. There's like this piece of glue in my inner corner that looks really bad. Do not recommend it. I'm still gonna put the other one on because why not? But the inner corner looks really bad because of that piece of glue that you can visibly see. Like, look at that. There's strings of glue. That's disgusting. I'm gonna do the other side off camera because we kind of get it, and then I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so I applied the other lash. Let me zoom you in. They're not perfect, but to get them perfect, I would have to take them off again to reactivate it, so it's kind of like not that great of an option. I really think it's just gimmicky. I mean, it's a great idea, but it's not worth the trouble of filling up warm water, activating it, trying to get it perfectly, and making sure it doesn't stick to your real lashes, because as you're going in, it's like super sticky that it immediately sticks to like your lash. Like if it hits your lash, it's stuck to it, and then you have that residue on your lash, which is annoying. And I don't like the consistency of the glue. Like when you pull it off, it becomes like this string, like hot glue gun, this string of glue. Don't like that. I will show you guys a really good option that I've been really loving that's not gimmicky at all. It really works and it makes applying lashes really easy. It's the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I have it in clear. They also have it in black. So if you wanted to have like black liner look, you could use the black one. I did hear the black one maybe is not as black as they wanted it to be, but it still worked. But I like the clear one so that I can do any type of look and put lashes on, and I don't have to have black liner on. And then a pair of lashes that I really like. I've been liking the Kiss My Lashes But Better. It's like the most invisible band ever. Super flexible, super easy to put on. Yeah, so that's a really good option. Don't get these Aqua lashes. It's just gimmicky. So yeah, great idea, poorly executed. That's my opinion on these lashes.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give this video a like. Comment a flower emoji down below to let me know that you made it to the end of this video. Thank you very much. Please be sure that you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Be sure you follow me on all my social medias. It's @LatestCourtney everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I like to post on my socials to let you guys know when a new video is up, so be sure you follow me there as well. I'm going to be doing a 100 subscribers cash giveaway to 5 subscribers, so be sure that you are subscribed, and I will give more details on how to enter later on. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we are very close, so it should happen pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.